Dead or alive, knowing when to replace your battery. Is your battery holding you back? If it's not delivering enough power, it might be dead. Start by researching the specific type of battery you're using. Each type, LiPo, nickel metal hydrate, or lithium ion, has different characteristics and safe voltage ranges. Next, check your car's system cutoff voltage. This is the point where the system stops drawing power to prevent damage to the battery. For LiPo batteries, for instance, the cutoff is usually around 3.2 volts per cell. If your battery voltage drops below the cutoff repeatedly, it might be time to replace it. Always monitor your batteries during practice and storage to extend their lifespan and avoid surprises on race day.